I hear Spirit saying, Divine Collective, I like this for you. I like this for you. What's this about, Spirit? Someone here is stuck in a karmic cycle, Divine Collective, refusing to learn the lesson that they need to learn in order to move forward. Spirit is saying that this person jumps from one situation to the next. This is a past person of yours, someone that you possibly were married to, Divine Collective, okay? A fallen twin, soulmate, possibly, okay? Whoever this is, they like to self-pleasure a lot, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on a sex addiction. What's this about, Spirit? Someone, Divine Collective, and my whole entire face is just itching. Someone wants to speak to you and give you every reason as to why they should still be in your energy. What is this about? Spirit says you're not concerned with any of this. Like, you're asking this person, I'm so confused, Divine Collective, because it's like you're asking this person, why were you so slow to come back? You're not willing to go backwards for this person, and it feels like that's what they're asking you to do. Go backwards here, Divine Collective. Spirit needs you to apply your energy to your own dreams, Divine Collective. I heard the nerve of this dummy. And that's how I'm feeling. The nerve. There's clarity in this reading pertaining to the storyline of what happened. Yeah, this person from the past wants to come back. This is what Spirit is telling me. They want to repeat a cycle with you, Divine Collective. And I keep hearing the nerve of this dummy. The urologist is of significance, Divine Collective. The urologist. You're just not emotionally involved in this any longer, Divine Collective. Look, you don't care. It says, I don't care. This person may be hurt. Maybe something to do with them going to the urologist, Divine Collective. But I don't feel like you care. Like you're focused on other things, Divine Collective. You have the tools and wisdom to turn your visions into reality. And I feel like you're working on making your own dreams come true here. Yeah, you're not allowing people to come back into your life, interrupt your life, Divine Collective, if they're not going to add some type of value to it. So whoever this is that's trying to come in and repeat a cycle, it's not going to work, okay? This person has a lot of healing to do. I'm picking up on a lot of self-pleasuring. And I know you guys laugh at that, or you're like, oh, but this is a real thing, Divine Collective. This is a real addiction, okay? This is a real demon, a sex demon that's lingering in this person's energy. Spirit said part of you might long for what was. Stepping away is what's best for your highest good, okay? I feel like we've passed that. I went through that where, Divine Collective, where part of me was longing for what was. I wasn't willing to release control of how I seen my life or how I wanted my life until I woke up and realized that I had to release control. I had to let go and give it to God, okay? And then I started to see how God's plan for my life was much better than anything I could have thought of, Divine Collective. I started to see why God was moving these people out of my life that I had prayed would always be there, Divine Collective, okay? You know, it hits you in that moment. You start to think and you get angry and you got to feel those feelings. Why aren't you listening to me, God? Why aren't you answering my prayers? All the while, God is answering your prayers. It's just not in the way that you want him to. You have to release control and know that God moves in a way where you may be able to see, you may be a seer, but you'll never be able to see what God has in store for you, Divine Collective, okay? I always say this, God is the greatest magician. When you think you know what he's up to, he hits you with something completely different, okay? I'm getting a cautious defensive energy here. Spirit says have faith. Have faith, Divine Collective. Your angels are here. You are not alone in this situation. Someone is heavily in their emotions. And before I said that, Divine Collective, I felt this feeling come over me. Like, you know how you feel before you want to cry? When it just hits you, that heaviness? That's how I felt. And it's not my energy. I know that. I'm not sad. I'm not doing any healing energy work, Divine Collective. So someone is heavy in their emotions here, possibly crying. That's why someone wants to resurface here. Someone may have got some bad news, possibly about their health. Someone's heart chakra has been opened, Divine Collective. Archangel Michael is here as your spiritual bodyguard. Like I said, the angels are all around you. You are not alone. Archangel Michael is here. This person went back to someone from their past that they broke up with, Divine Collective, a karmic energy. They went back to this person, okay? I don't know why that's of significance. Something about that being betrayal. Going back to someone that they broke up with, okay? Spirit says they're always going to be mad and jealous. Just do it. Maybe there's something holding you back, or a thought holding you back from making a decision. Maybe you're putting someone else's feelings before yours, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying they will be mad and jealous anyway. That's just who they are. Okay, just do it. That's what I'm hearing, Divine Collective. Be cautious of people lying and trying to force you into their drama. I don't think you have any issues with that, Divine Collective. I see that a lot of you are just unfazed. Okay? Your actions have shown them the truth of what they've lost. Isn't that the truth? You are too high vibrational, Divine Collective. They can't do any more magic spells. This is game over. Something about paralysis is of significance. Paralysis. 8:32 on the clock. These people are currently learning lessons. A lot of these people don't even have the backing of their own ancestors, okay? They've betrayed their own ancestors here. I'll never forget, Divine Collective. This was before I was really into spirituality or knew anything about it, but I had said something about the ancestors, and someone came back at me and was like, F my ancestors, they're all dead anyway. And I stopped in my tracks, Divine Collective. I felt like that was so disrespectful. In that moment, I actually felt very sorry for that person. I was like, oh, does he know what he just did or what he just said? And ever since that person said that, I can't really say too much, but I've watched certain things happen in this person's life that I know is connected to the way that they speak badly about their ancestors, okay? So watch your mouth. A lot of these ancestors aren't even backing their own family members because of the disrespect and betrayal. Spirit says Jezebel won't be bothering you anymore, Divine Collective.